Everyone is talking about AI for trading right now. Hedge funds are using it, retail traders want it. And every week, there's a new startup promising to give you an AI that analyzes markets, builds strategies, and backtests them for a price.
But what if you could run something just as powerful, totally free on your own machine today? That's exactly what Vibe Trading is.
And it just hit nearly 7,000 stars on GitHub in a matter of weeks. Vibe Trading is an open-source, AI-powered multi-agent finance workspace built by researchers at HKUDS, the Hong Kong University Data Science Lab. You describe a trading idea in plain English, and the agent writes the strategy code, backtests it across real market data, validates it statistically, and exports it to TradingView or MetaTrader, all without you writing a single line of code. And the agent handles the entire pipeline end to end.
What makes it different from a simple chatbot wrapper?
74 specialized finance skills, everything from Elliott wave analysis to on-chain DeFi metrics to SEC Edgar filings. 6 data sources with 0 config A shares, Hong Kong, US equities, crypto, futures, and Forex, all with automatic fallback so nothing breaks. 7 backtest engines, including a composite cross-market engine with a shared capital pool. 29 pre-built multi-agent swarm teams like an investment committee that runs a bull, bear debate, and then has a risk manager sign-off. Cross-session memory, it remembers your preferences, risk tolerance, and past research across conversations.
And critically, it supports 13 LLM providers:
OpenAI, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, Qwen, Kimi, and even local Ollama models.
So you're not locked into any one API.
Why it exists and why it's free. The honest answer is professional-grade quant tools are expensive and inaccessible. Bloomberg Terminal? Tens of thousands of dollars a year. FactSet? Same. Even the mid-tier tools are subscription-only with paywalls on the good data. Vibe Trading is the research team's answer to that. It's MIT licensed, fully open source, installable in one pip command, and ships with free data sources baked in. Y Finance covers US and HK equities. OKX covers crypto. AK Share covers A shares. You don't need a 2-share token or any paid data subscription to get started. Those are optional upgrades. And on the model side, the default config ships with DeepSeek v3. So the barrier to actually running this is genuinely low.
Now, Vibe Trading ships with 2 interfaces. And this is where you make a choice depending on how you want to use it.
The CLI is the power user path. It's an interactive terminal interface with /commands, live streaming output, a bottom status bar showing your session duration and cumulative tool call stats, and full prompt history navigation. If you're comfortable in a terminal, this is the fastest way to iterate. The web UI is the more visual path of React 19 frontend with a chat interface, backtest result charts, a swarm streaming dashboard that shows you live agent status as each team member runs, and a settings page where you can swap your LLM provider without touching a config file. The trade-off? The web UI requires running a backend server and optionally a front-end dev server separately. The CLI works with a single command. For getting started, I'd recommend the CLI first. It's one command and you're in. I've already installed and customized the UI for my personal use. Please follow the on-screen instructions displayed on the right panel to complete the installation of the Vibe Trading system on your computer. Model config and API keys. Inside your .env file, the 3 variables that matter are LLM provider, API key, base URL, and model name. The README is refreshingly honest about model choice. It says Vibe Trading is a tool-heavy agent. Skills, backtests, memory, and swarms all flow through tool calls. If you use a nano or flashlight model, the agent will appear to answer from memory instead of actually loading skills or running backtests. That's a real failure mode, not just a performance warning. The sweet spot tier they recommend includes DeepSeek v3, Grok 4. The data sources still work since those don't require an LLM key. Let's run something real. I'm going to type a prompt that any trader would actually want to know. Watch what happens under the hood. The agent first loads the relevant trading skill from its library. Then it calls the market data tool to pull BTC, USDT, OHLCV data from OKX free, no API key needed. Then it routes to the backtest engine, runs the strategy, and streams back the results with performance metrics. The whole thing takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your model and connection speed. And the output is not just a number, it's a full breakdown with a benchmark comparison panel showing excess return and information ratio versus a buy and hold baseline.
All your data stays local by default. The agent stores memory in /.vibetrading/memory, runs backtests in agent/sends your data anywhere except to your chosen LLM API, with nothing leaves your machine. This is still in active early development. Some rough edges exist. The README explicitly says it's for research, simulation, and backtesting. It does not execute live trades. That runs overnight hypothesis to backtest loops, an options lab with wall surface, and community shareable strategy cards. This project is moving fast. So to recap, Vibe Trading is a free, open-source, multi-agent AI trading research platform that turns plain English in global markets with no Bloomberg subscription and no proprietary lock-in. 1 pip install. Works with free data, supports your LLM of choice. If you found this useful, the link is in the description. And if you run into anything interesting while testing it, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.